Today I'm going to show you how to use Facebook Messenger. So if you need to use Facebook Messenger is actually built into Facebook, so you don't need to use it as a separate app. But if you do use it as a separate app, then it does have some advantages. It has some additional features. Now, if I personally go into Facebook Messenger right over here at the top, you'll have to now obviously create a pin. So let me create a pin. And here you can see that these are all of my chats. I can use Facebook Messenger here. Now, if I go ahead and tap on Get Messenger, this will allow me to actually install Messenger from the Play Store, and I'll have a few additional options. But if you want to use Messenger without actually just going into Messenger, let's say perhaps you want to say, let's say we want to send this person a message, you will now be able to go and tap on message and you'll be able to send this person a message. Now, Messenger also has some additional, features. You can do phone calls and text messages too. And then if you go ahead now and you go into Facebook Marketplace, perhaps, let's say we want to message the person that is selling this camera, we can do exactly the same. So we'll go in, and right here it's built into Messenger. So you'll see it says message seller. It's got the Facebook Messenger app logo on there. And here you can literally type out a message and say send, and you'll be able to find this in Messenger simply by going out here and tapping on the Messenger symbol on the top right hand side of your screen.